that'll make me waste my time. Don't go blowing up my life. It's ain't real, then baby, I'm cool. Seen it one too many times. I know how to read the signs. So if you lie, I know the truth. I need to remind you. Nobody comes before you. There's no way that you need more if I'm willing to give.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video we're featuring Jessie's wig. Big thank you to Jessie's wig for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump into this look. So this is the unboxing, everything that comes within your package. They put enough goodies in here that you can use some of these to install your wig. So today I have their viral 7x5 curtain bang wig. This is a wavy textured hair with a layered cut. This is a pre-cut lace, 7x5 lace, and the knots are lightly bleached. So this is the wig itself. I like that the hair is really dark. I do have this in 20 inches. There's quite a few different lengths that you can choose. So if you click the link down in the description box and go to the website, you can choose from all the options there as far as length. I have this in 20 inches, and because most of the work is done for you, I'm going to put this right on. So jumping right into it, I put this on and the part is already defined. It's pretty much laid, but I'm going to pull out my hot comb, use a little bit of a wax stick. Then I'm going to use the hot comb to press it out. Once I do that, I do use my curling iron just to redefine some of these waves. This is a naturally wavy textured wig, but I did want to add some curls and volume to it. That's what I used. Everything that I use will be down in the description box. But this hair did take to heat very well, and it held a really nice curl. For restyling, I did restyle this and do like a little ponytail with the split bang. I really like the curtain bang. Keep in mind, you're going to have to play with it a little bit to get it to your liking. So I did like a few different techniques curling the bang, and I love the finished look and the final look. If you want to see how that came out, just stay tuned for the rest of the video. As far as the density, this is 180 density, and this is a nice full wig. I'm going to show you a 360 so you can see what it looks like from every angle, and it is full throughout. I forgot to mention, I did not have to use any powder, lace tint, or concealer on this lace. I used a little bit of ORS wig grip and it was melted. That means this is a nice natural neutral color because it can work with multiple skin tones. I love the lace and it is a good quality. Sometimes HD lace can be very thin to the point where you rip it, but this bomb. Check the link down below. If I have a discount code, that will be down below as well. Shout out to Jessie's wig for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I can see